Hi guys, here we've got iPhone, and let me show you how to automatically send message to all your friends whenever you enter flight mode. So at first you have to locate and open shortcuts, and then go to automation if you're not in this panel, click on plus icon and create personal automation. Then find and select airplane mode, and here pick is turned on, so you will modify a panel for turning on this flight mode and tap on next. Then here let's pick send message and enter the text. And then just select the contacts that you would like to send this message to. You can pick several contacts or numbers that you wish to send this info to. Tap on done and then just click on next. Now click on done to save it, and that's it. As you can see, it has been added. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.